This is the Nest indoor camera, which may be the best indoor camera for most people. But there have been newer indoor cameras released since it came out, so is the Nest Indoor Gen 2 still a great choice? I tested out a lot of the top indoor cameras to see how it compares. And after testing the Nest Indoor out for 2 weeks now, I've got to say I was pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Nest Indoor, like how to set it up, how to use it, how it performs, and how it compares to competitors. Starting with what's inside the box, we find the Nest Indoor Gen 2 camera itself, a power adapter, a wall anchor and screws, and a user manual. To set it up, just plug the camera's cable into the power adapter and plug the adapter into a power outlet. The Nest will turn on and a blue light will appear. It uses the Google Home app to operate, so just download that for free and create an account. Then click Add, scan the QR code, and follow the instructions to pair the Nest Indoor with Wi-Fi. And it will start to stream a live view to the connected phone. The Nest can be placed just about anywhere on a flat surface like a bookshelf or table, so just pick the place to monitor and place it within reach of an electrical outlet. The cable cord is nice and long, so it's pretty flexible that way. The camera swivels around in all directions, so it's super flexible to use, whether on a flat surface or mounted. And it's easy to mount on a wall. It's best to place it up high and not too far from the router. Install the wall mount on the wall and attach the camera. There are tons of uses for the Nest Indoor camera. It's designed to increase security by sending alerts to the connected phone whenever movement is detected and by providing live views of the monitored area on the connected device. The Nest can even tell the difference between a person or animal. The Nest Indoor is compact and sturdy, so it can fit snugly in just about any place. I really like the style. It's low-key and modern, and I find I really don't notice it. It blends in nicely with almost any decor. The wired option of the camera is good because it always has a power supply, and there's no need to bother with batteries or think about it if going away for a while. With a Nest Indoor camera setup, whether it's by the front door or in the main living area or anywhere else, the camera will send an instant notification to the connected phone, tablet, or computer if there is any movement in the area. Then just open up the live view of the connected device and see what's happening. I found it so great when I was on vacation to be able to check in once in a while and to know I'd be alerted if anything was happening. And when I'm at work, I can check in and even talk to my dog. It has high-definition 1080p video quality. The view was really clear and showed all the details. And it also has night vision. It uses its infrared LEDs to make things visible even in the dark, so it works well 24/7. The Nest has a built-in microphone and speaker. It allows hearing and speaking to anyone in the camera view from the connected phone. So maybe it's time to tell the kids to go to bed or else calm a pet down. The sound quality is good and it's super handy to be able to do all that remotely. And the Nest Indoor works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa-enabled devices, meaning it can launch real-time video with a voice command. Just connect the Nest Indoor to any of the compatible devices, then a voice command like "show the basement" means the view would be shown on any of those connected devices. There are some other pretty cool features too. It has a 3-hour event video history to be able to go back and see what happened. And if there is ever a Wi-Fi outage, the Nest automatically records up to an hour of footage. The Google Home app is the place to control the camera and adjust all the features. I found it was simple and easy to use. Just open the app on your phone and it gives easy access to live view, two-way talk, and all the other settings right there. Nest offers the Nest Aware monthly subscription option to expand on the features and get things like more days of event video history or familiar face recognition. It's a pretty affordable monthly subscription for that extra layer of security, and it can cover all the Nest products in the home. The Nest Indoor camera is an overall top-notch home security device. It's very easy to set up and use with the Google Home app. It sends alerts when movement is detected, and it allows two-way communication with anyone in the view of the camera. It has really clear HD video and uses LEDs for night vision. Plus, it is integrated with Google Assistant and Alexa for voice control on compatible devices. That's it for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.